Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Bhukkat Vegetarian. We were so hungry that location पे पहुंचते ही खाने पे अटैक किया. So we ordered soybean chili, paneer lababdar, roti and pulao. Just look at their quantity, it's more than enough for 2 people. Watch this video till the end for pricing and other details. Pet Puja done. Now let's start. This hidden gem is located in Jamrung near Karjat, which is 2.5 hours drive from Mumbai. And if you are traveling by train, then it is 26 km away from Neral station and 28 km away from Karjat station. Everyone loves nature, greenery and mountains. But what if you can experience all this under one villa? Yes, so I am going to show you this villa where you can get a 360-degree hill view and feel the cool breeze in the air with your loved ones, family and friends. Before that, I would like to take you to my room tour. We booked the Athena suite where you will get aesthetic view of the room with all basic amenities. After entering, you can see a well-designed unique mirror on the left side. I felt that this room could have been more spacious, but it is enough for a couple. You can bring some beverages with you which can be kept in this mini fridge. They have also provided 4K TV where you can watch your favorite shows and chill. Here you will be able to access Wi-Fi for which password is provided after booking. Each room has different passwords. There is a luggage cart in one corner of the room where you can keep all your baggage or handbags. They have also provided glass, cup and saucer if you wish to have your coffee or tea at the room. But wait, I forgot to show you something very important thing. The chalo. There is a jacuzzi in every room of this villa. But you know what is the best thing about this room? Here, you can enjoy a sunset view from your jacuzzi and spend some romantic moments with your partner. I would advise you guys to carry toiletries and bath towel for yourself as it is not provided here. However, body wash and hand wash are available. Every room is provided with a cloth drying stand to sun dry your swimming outfits after you are done enjoying in the pool. From all the corners of the room, you can enjoy the hill view and feel the nature with chirping melodious calls of the birds. I was lost mesmerizing at this beautiful creation of God with amazing view full of lush greenery. There is a sitting area outside this room where you can enjoy your breakfast or tea time with sunrise view. After the room tour, we changed our outfits and planned to go near the pool. Here, you need to be careful while going downstairs. From all the sides, you can see trees and varieties of flowers. If you have a vehicle, you can park it here under this climbing plant roof. On my left hand side, you can see that 2 BHK villa which is available for groups and family, from where you can easily access their infinity pool. And finally we are here, which is the main spotlight of this villa. Yes, that's the infinity pool. Just look at this jaw-dropping view, where you can get the hill view from all sides. If you don't want to swim or are afraid of it, you can just sit and chill. If you don't know, then let me tell you that the famous Bhima Shankar Jyotirling temple is located just behind this mountain. They have also created an artificial waterfall where you can enjoy with your kids. एंजॉय करते करते शाम हो गई एंड चेक आउट दिस व्यू, pinkish sky, cold water of pool and peace. Pool timings are from 7 am to 12 am. They have also a music system near the infinity pool so that you can play your favorite music and dance near this unique train dance area. This is their in-house restaurant where you can fill your tummy with their freely prepared home-cooked meals. They cater with both veg and non-veg meals. It seriously feels like we are having food at our residence. Our lunch was more than sufficient in terms of quantity, hence we requested to reheat the food and serve us at our room for dinner. Each working staff here are very kind and helpful. After our dinner, we again went near pool as it was 17-degree temperature जो आपको मुंबई साइड में तो नहीं मिलेगा. The main highlight of this property is infinity pool, but opposite to that there is small area जहाँ हम बर्थडे या कोई सेलिब्रेशन कर सकते हैं. If not, then हम एटलीस्ट चाय कॉफ़ी तो बैठ के पी ही सकते हैं. At night, this property looks stunning as they have decorated with lights near each plant and trees. We stayed here for some time and slept. गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. नेचर में ब्रेकफास्ट करने का मज़ा ही अलग होता है. सो इसलिए वी टोल्ड देम दैट वी विल हैव अवर ब्रेकफास्ट एट देयर रेस्टोरेंट. सुबह सुबह ठंडी में गरम गरम कांदा पोहा एंड कॉफ़ी की बात कुछ और ही है. They have created an artificial fish pond where you can see a school full of tiny fish moving all around. Then I again went near pool to see sunrise view and if possible try to hear that cute chirping call of the birds. ये फीलिंग आपको यहीं मिल सकती है. सुबह की ठंडी हवा और ये शांति for which I just fell in love with it. This is their restaurant and you can see that they have arranged sitting area in the garden from where you will get the view of this mountains. Then I went to room and got fresh. I received a call from staff to clean our room. We ordered veg Manchurian and veg fried rice. एंड लुकिंग एट द क्वांटिटी आई डिसाइडेड कि अभी रात में कुछ और खाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. नॉट ओनली क्वांटिटी बट क्वालिटी ऑफ द फूड इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. After lunch, we prepared for photoshoot in Jacuzzi because sunset का व्यू नहीं लिया तो क्या किया. Photos will be uploaded on my Instagram soon. After spending some quality time, we went near pool and met our new friend. Even he was enjoying the weather with us. Before ending the video, I would like to show the newly launched jungle theme pool equipped with an artificial waterfall which can be accessed by guests. The pool has a separate place for kids too. Our stay was in Athena suite and the cost was Rs 5,000 per couple without meal. You can also include the meal in the package while booking, which will cost you 1,000 extra. For more information, you can contact them. I have also mentioned other room details and contact number in description. If you have any questions, you can comment below. This is how I had an amazing time in the hill connection. So book your stay in this winter and enjoy the beauty of nature. With that being said, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.